Rita, I know you are. Call me back, okay? I know that nursing home's got a phone.
Oh, hey, sorry, man.
Watch it, mate.
All right. What are you wearing?
I'm a dinosaur.
What?
Whatever, bro.
Are you alright?
I just think this is some kind of trick tie.
Will?
I can't remember how to do a Windsor knot. I can do a sheep shank and a square knot.
What's the problem?
That's not important right now.
What's wrong with you, Will?
I'm baked. I am completely wasted.
What?
No, it's fine,
Oh,
right?
No,
It's fine. No, it's fine. Listen.
Oh my god!
No.
Oh my god.
Listen, see, Neil's girlfriend, right? And man, you should see her play Guitar Hero blindfolded.
Oh my god!
No, you're right. Let me back it up. All right. Now, when you're pitching, yeah, you got your push-off leg and your landing leg. And that landing leg takes a lot of force, yeah? So when you come down on it like that, boom, right? And marijuana...
This isn't happening. You can't do this!
Mackenzie? There's no way I'm not reporting this. You understand?